Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video I will tell you, also show you how to find out if someone has read your text message on your iPhone. Don't forget, friends, subscribe to the channel, be sure to put your likes, and also please write your comments after watching. And let's get to our topic. So when you go, some chat, some correspondence, if you swipe, you can see the exact time when a certain message was sent. But you will be able to know, for example, whether your conversation partner has read your text message only if they have the option Send Read Notifications enabled. If not, then you will not recognize this option. And now I want to show you how you can enable it yourself so that other people can see, for example, that you've read their message. If you want to do this for a specific person, then please go to that person in the correspondence with them. Next, at the top, click on their name. And here you will find the option to manage or send read notifications. You will just need to click on the button to enable this option. If you want to enable it not for one person, but for example for all your contacts, then you will need to come to the settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap the app. Now at the top of the search bar, tap and type in the word message, and then open them up. Swipe down and find this option with Send Read Notification and just as simply connect it. Friends, this is the way you can find out if someone has read a text message on iPhone. I hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to put your likes, write comments, also subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.